Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to OPPO Reno6 Pro 5G. Firstly, open Play Store on both smartphones. Then you need to tap on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. Following that, just tap on Open. Over here we need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now we need to wait for this one to download in order to continue. Here we have to do exactly the same, so I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Finally, we need to choose receive on OPPO and send on an Android. Then click on all of those type of dots and select send. This way we will send all of those files. It will take a long while though, so I will go with this one photo, just send and tap on got it. Over here we have two connection ways. We can input this key over here and tap on receive, or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on this scanning icon on OPPO, then choose while using the app or only this time, and point your device's camera at the code. Then we need to wait a bit. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. You can always make sure of it by going into some kind of Files app, for example, go into, in my case, Images and look for Send Anywhere section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!